Hi, this is John Hewland from Crestron's Pro Enablement team. Today we're going to review a few of Crestron's solutions for bringing content, collaboration, and control to any learning space you have anywhere on campus. Education is evolving, and so is the technology behind it. One important question I get from many schools is, what should we do if our standard has been DMPS, but we need to update our systems or install more rooms for an upcoming project or a room technology refresh? If you have a classroom or a similar space that you need to update, this video demonstrates an excellent migration path with HDBaseT technology. For example, I recommend a budget-friendly classroom design, which can be used if you're not going to use a DMPS, but want to stick to using HDBaseT backbone or an HDBaseT infrastructure. Think of a basic classroom with 3 to 4 video sources, which the instructor will want to switch between. Maybe it needs an amp and a couple of speakers for playback audio, and a projector to display the video content. We have an instructor's lectern here, which shows a button panel controller and a few sources such as a room PC with a local monitor, a document camera, maybe a guest laptop, and one other wired source, or even an Air Media for wireless presentation. We could use an HDBaseT type of DM Essentials solution, such as the HDTX 4KZ 421 charger as the switcher and transceiver in the lectern. This DM Essentials transceiver is a 4x1 auto switcher for HDMI and USB-C DisplayPort over twisted pair cable. The 4 discrete inputs include 2 HDMI ports and 2 USB-C DisplayPort alt mode inputs, as well as the DM Lite port for the output. These inputs support auto switching or discrete switching if you have a control system. This model supports 4K 60 444 video resolutions, as well as HDR10+ and HDCP 2.3 standards. One other nice feature is some charging capabilities on the USB-C DisplayPort inputs. So let's say you have an input for a room PC on the USB-C port. Maybe you take the laptop and have a wired USB-C port. The document camera will go into an HDMI port, and the Air Media wireless presenter or another wired source could go on the other HDMI port to support a tablet or personal device. At the other end, the HDRX 4K 210 CE receiver takes the DM Essentials signal into its DM Lite input and provides the video and control for your projector, as well as an audio output to drive the amp and speakers. This DM Essentials 2x1 AV switch and receiver features 1 DM Essentials input, 1 HDMI input, and 1 scaled HDMI output, as well as 1 analog audio output. For control, it includes IR, RS-232, relay, I/O, and Ethernet ports. This way, the instructor can power the system on and off, switch between the video sources, and control the volume level, all from the button panel. Why would a design like this be valuable? Well, it works using the same HDBaseT infrastructure while keeping the cost down. The system can be configured and does not require any custom programming. The ability to charge one or more of your source devices while it's in use is very helpful. And while the DM matrices and DMPS units serve the needs of the classroom so well, this example provides an exceedingly simple to deploy and easy to support classroom design option. If you'd like to get more information, an A+ partner price quote, or would like to discuss an upcoming project in more detail, please contact your education partner manager or Crestron representative. You can visit the Design Ideas portion of the website, which has a form to request a quote. You can contact our Sales Support and Services department, or check out the True Blue community website for other helpful information and ways to get feedback or suggestion from other pros.